Hello everyone, we will continue trying to make the game without engine. 3D game without engine. So I thought about asset loading, and I think I would update assets class. So it would take the path, but also it would take some extra parameters. I think it's like this, and we would do stat forward. I always forgetting how to do perfect forwarding. Perfect. Yeah, so it's this way. Type name dot args. Type name args. Then stat forward args dot. Every time I'm forgetting to enable the streamer mode on Discord. Streamer mode enabled. Engage the streamer mode. Okay. And when we have a mesh, right? So when we're loading mesh, so let me remove this part, material part, and we would have class material so class, I guess we will shorten it to mat. Okay, so it would should show me some squiggly. Show me some squiggly. Why did not show me squiggly? Show me squiggly. Yeah. So I would do. Okay, so now so it's not move, it's just copy, because it's reference. Yeah, so we would have stat reference wrapper like this. And pass the path, and also assets reference to assets. And also pass it here. So we can remove class here because we already had class here. Oh yeah. So we pass assets here. Here. Assets here. Okay, and here we would do assets get material this path, and we would just pass assets and material like this. So now we need to include assets.hpp here. Mat.hpp. Oh, we do not have pragma once, so we would include base asset.hpp mat derived from base asset. It's final. Pragma once. So in mesh we would include mat hpp. Assets. So we can make the mesh friend. So our class mat would have I don't know, I guess probably we can have, I don't know. So it has const string path and class assets and AI material class AI material pointer. String. So that's good, and that should be good as well. Not happy. Function assets and material. I know. Let's try to compile. Source of mesh must explicitly initialize the member mod which does not have a default constructor. I made it a reference wrapper. No default constructor for reference wrapper. Optional. I guess I'll just make it a pointer, right? And it would be null pointer. So this essentially this semantics means it's optional. Instead of like trying to invent the wheel, pointer means it's optional. So it can be null. So in this case, we take the pointer here. I should finish a math. Unique pointer. Construction not known. Conversion from asset. Oh, I misspelled it. Assets. From const mesh second argument. Mesh. This conversion not viable, not from string to mesh. And first argument. Two arguments but one provided. I see. Two arguments but one provided. So where is it? Where is the test CPP? Okay, in test CPP we need to provide the link to assets. Okay, and linking errors making sense because I did not implement this part, which we are going to implement now. I think it's taking pretty good shape. So mod.cpp include mat.hpp, and we have a constructor. AI mat assets and path. I forgot to what no.
Met contis dd colon string path class assets and class AI material asterisk.
Why are you doing this thing to me? So we would have so include gt, what is it, matrix gm, where we have colors in the test, probably glm vec4.hpp. So so it's a variant, right? So include variant. So we can have stat variant. So it's a variant. It's either a glm vec4 or texture, and I guess it's a pointer as well. What are the components of PBR material? Albedo, metallic roughness. Come understand because it's more memory efficient and harder to break the law of physics. Albedo base color, metallic, roughness, core component specular workflow. An alternative setup that gives artists more manual control over the color of reflection, diffuse, specular, and glossiness. There's the normal map, ambient occlusion, displacement map, and emissive, and SSS as well. So we want to go with PBR. Let me I guess we can go with let me see PBR versus specular. Okay, so Blender is doing PBR, so I think we should do PBR as well. But it's a bit because it's flown, or it's as well texture, but it's grayscale texture. And this one is roughness. I don't know.
Roughness.
Roughness. Albedo. In Blender it's called base color, right? So let's call it base color. Base color. Okay, so we have that thing, and we can go to some examples, and examples are going to be from here, and I don't think AI material diffuse matte load Material, diffuse, texture, diffuse, load material, textures. Let's pass material here, get texture counts of type. And what kind of types we do have? Diffuse, specular. And this one is not Blender. Diffuse, specular. Diffuse, specular, ambient, emissive, height, normals, shininess, opacity, displacement, light map, reflection. Ah, look at this. Base color, PBR materials. Metalness, roughness. Oh, okay, so we need this thing. So AI matte, get texture count, base color. I need to include what I need to include. Asimp material.h. Asimp material.h. If greater than 0, we would say base color equals assets dot get texture and load texture stir get texture type 0. Okay, poo, 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 poo. 0 type. What's going on with my keyboard? Why it's losing the insertness? 0. What the heck? Zero stir. So stir dot c stir assets. I think that's it. And make it the pointer. I see too many S's. AI matte assets. Oh yeah, I need to include assets. And include texture texture.hpp pragma once class text final public base asset include base asset.hpp public text const string path class assets. I don't think we need to pass assets to texture, we just need the path. Include string. Okay, so come on, be happy. No matching constructor for initializing of text. Oh yeah, so we do not need to pass assets, so we should be good like this. No need to pass the path here, which is interesting. Else so we did it for base color, so we are going to do same thing for the metalness. 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 And we are going to do same thing for roughness. Diffuse roughness. So else part, we need to assign the value. For else part, we need to assign the value material, texture mapping, base. Texture type. Base RGB factor which will be multiplied to final base colors as extends, and porter may choose to copy this into AI matte key color diffuse for compatibility. AI matte key Oh, there is also factors, but Matkey base color. Yeah, we were doing like name, right, extractions, mesh. So we got the name here, for example, right? And we've got it with the get method. Get. Type in for double string integer buffer property. I may ask AI. Kind of have hard time to figure out what's going on here. So I'm going to ask AI. So I'm going to put this thing. So I'll put it with like this and like this, and I'll ask help me populate else branches. Color 4D base color. Okay, so it's like this. Like this. And like this. It says roughness factor. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. So I think it's pretty good. And yeah, so we need to load textures. So for this, text.cpp include text.hpp text const stat string path. So it will make everything to compile. I guess I will add logs, include the log loading texture path mod.cpp path loading material path log base color R, color G, color B, color A. Metallic metallic M, and roughness R. So let's see how it would load. Loading material, Karmat, base color, metallic roughness. Interesting. Something not right. Get texture count. Log base color count okay. Clear code my base. So copy. Define underscore X, and we will do that thing and put X so we can remove underscore. Let's put underscore here. So let's see. Oh man. Passing formed. Oh, I'm still not happy. Maya base undeclared identifier. I guess I have old version of async. So let's see. So we have diffuse. We have diffuse. So event. I see, because it's FBX, right? If I put directly blend, would it help? So if I put instead of FBX blend here. It says the scene is empty. Blender DNA expected type field. Oh yeah. So FBX it is. So we have diffuse here. Where is it? Matte. Instead of base color, we should push diffuse. And in this case, it's will loan. Matte key diffuse, I guess. Yeah. I want to have PBR because Blender is PBR, but it cannot loan Blender directly. Let me experiment with our different types. So let me try to export to GLTF, for example. GLB transform Y is up, no. Include selected object. Export in GLTF, right? So let's see what we will get with GLTF. So test GLB. So it still uses diffuse. Okay, what? It's completely gray. Huh. Car GLB car 00 mesh car. Oh, it's called car now. Mesh car. Oh, there is a base color. Okay. Oh, it's got all these values what I needed. Okay, so GLB is the way to go. So there is a base color, and we've got metallic and roughness values. Perfect. Loading texture star 0. Material. So instead of base color, we would do base color. Base color. Get texture base color. Loading texture star 0. There is a base color here. Get texture. Base color count. Let's ask AI. By returns star 0. Rather than file path on the disk. Interesting. So GLB format is embedding textures. Is it good or bad? separate glf, bin, and texture. So let's try this. Selected object, transform, gltf, right? Carbine. Oh yeah, this is yeah, looks like this is including the texture. Base color texture index 0. Source 0, images, image png, car texture, png. That gltf, that may work. Let's try it. Test. gltf. Eh, that worked. Loading texture, car texture. PNG. Okay, so we can remove this output. And implement loading textures. Okay, loading textures, text.cpp, loading texture. There is a path, right? There is a path, loading texture, and there is a path, car texture.png, and load texture. So load texture. Let's just copy it. Texture handle. Include bgfx, bgfx.h, bgfx texture handle h, and we would say h equals, I guess we can do it this way, load texture path. What's going on? Ah. So I think I need to disable copy constructor. Delete. And we need a destructor which would what is the destroy, right? pgfx destroy handle. So for materials, always variables are going to be set up in the test for now, and then I'll move it. So B image decode file not found. So we need to update this. I think I'll just copy paste it. Well, so loading should work now. So essentially I need to make this thing to work. So file new, right? So we have base color, and it's either texture or RGBA. We have metallic, which is either monochrome texture or scalar, and we have roughness, which is black and white monochrome texture, and scalar. So these all should be variables, right? Uniform. Okay, so let's go to the shader, fragment shader. Let's look at the fragment shader. Okay, so sampler 2D, base, color, texture 0. So I need to include this. One metallic, roughness. Then uniform vec4. It's going to be settings, I guess. And base color, metallic, roughness. And let's just do that. Base color text. Okay, vtext quote. Okay, so now it's black, which is good. So what I can do as a test, so I know car texture PNG, right? So I can just summon this thing just as a test. Auto test texture equals and assets texture car texture PNG, and so we need to include textures.hpp. .get, yeah, and text.cpp, text.hpp. So I make it public for now, and okay. So I need now to create all these uniform variables. I need to create all these uniform variables. Material diffuse. Okay, so they are all uniform, so it's going to be bgfx uniform handle, and it's gonna be base color text. Metallic text. Roughness text. Set up. Base color. Metallic. Roughness. So we are going to create all these uniform variables. Here. bgfx create uniform. bgfx uniform type. And let's look at the shader. Okay, it should be same name, base color text, metallic text, roughness text, setup, base color, metallic, roughness. I guess anyways, let's keep it like this. There is not too much data, so This one is going to be sampler, sampler, sampler. So setup is going to be vec 4, vec 4, vec 4, vec 4. Why this is not happy? After prog. That's not good. Prog should be last. Okay. Test text. Now I think, yeah. And material diffuse. I should not forget to do destroy. So what the row is doing? Material diffuse. BGFX set texture. BGFX set texture 0. Test text. And base color text dot h, something like this. Yeah, let's see if we will get something. Nope. Black screen. Base color text, base color text. And I don't know why it doesn't work. So create texture Q, create texture 3D, create texture 2D. This is valid. Set name, handle data, handle. I don't know. Let's create a texture. All things are here. I don't know, maybe UV coordinates are not good. Test. So what if we just put UVs here? Incompatible type. Vec 4. Too little. Really? RGB. I know what. Oh, wait a second. Zero, 1. So UV good, UV good. Base text color. Base color text. Base color text. View pose uniform. Set uniform. What if I do it this way? Nope. Uniform type sampler. Sampler to G. Base color text. I don't know what's going on. There is no colors. Let's ask Gemini. So I'm going to stage all this stuff. CD to project endless Gemini. Why car is black? I am expecting to be colored with the base color from the .png. Oh, is it in? Let's me. It should complain. Why did not complain? File name, stream, invalid handle. Oh, it returns invalid handle. And I did not check for invalid handle. Okay, so I think I know what's going on, but I need to fix the error handling. So I should do /+ and this should fix the issue, hopefully. If h equal error loan texture bgx invalid handle. So let's say long error loading the texture loading error. Loading error. bgfx.hpp. Huh? File not. Oh. Initializer list cannot be used on the right hand side of operator equal. What? It's a define. find I guess I can do dot is valid. So dot is valid. No member named is valid. Like this maybe. Oh, it did the magic. So arithmetic exception. SIGFP. Let's build. Oh, it's building debug. Submit.
I've transferred the money to my bank account yet.
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay.
Yeah. Ask mom to check. She has access. I do not know. Вика, вот я деньги там 53 отправил, они дошли? Num vertices. Mstride layout, mstride. So I think mstride is 0.
Wait, how much money did you add?
53.
Okay.
Что, мам посмотрела, дошло? Arithmetic exception. So I guess it's a division by 0, right? Let's see. Do we see anything in logs before it crashed? Loading texture, car texture, and then it's crashed. Could not open reference file car.bin. Oh, this is okay. I deleted the bin file, so let's do export. Let's do text include selected object. Okay, so we need bin file. Something is working. Okay, now we need to enable the depth buffer. Set view clear. I think it's in the main. Where is it? Set view clear. Here. Depth buffer is enabled. What's going on? Test less. What's going on? Dev buffer is enabled. Oh, no. I think I need to do something to enable dev buffer. How did I enable it? Or I don't need to do anything special. But why it's so wonky? So let's make it rotate. Let's make it rotate around Z. Oh, it's a half a car. That explains. Yeah, that's not good. So renderable, activate custom properties cars shall transform. Hey, now it looks good. I noticed there is something not good inside the car. Yeah. Are we back or we still suffering? We should be back, right? Okay, with great effort. So so we do not want to do it this way, right? We want to so we pass base color text. How we would set it up this thing? So we need. So essentially, we need all uniforms handles. They're not too much. Base color, metallic and roughness. Mesh, and it would return material. I guess pointer. Equals, and if mat, we would do this thing, right? If mat base color stat has alternative GLM avec 4. Hold alternative, holds holds alternative, yeah. Header variant. Include mod.hpp. Yeah. I don't need to include variant. Okay. So if it's hold alternative, we would do otherwise we would do set texture stat get text star from the matte base color H. And probably I can do const auto text equal assert text. And we would do same thing for metallic. Metallic metallic metallic, and we would do same thing for roughness. Roughness, roughness, roughness. Except it's gonna be float here and float here. So setup equals glm vec4, and we would do set up x equal 1, set up x equals 0, set up y equals 0, set up y equals 1, set up z equals 0, set up z equals 1. And let's look at the him tutorial. Set uniform. Ambient color. It says vec free. I don't know. How did it work? Anyways, so at the end, I guess I'll put it like this. So set pgfx, set uniform, set up, set up, okay. I'm wondering if I can do So base color, right? Base color, and I can just put the float, right? So like this, and stat get. This one is vec4 glm vec4, so this one is good. Matte base color. Yeah, that works, but here I think it would work. Float, metallic, float, roughness. Okay, so matte, and we would just return matte. Yeah. So making some progress. So let's take a break. think I can do buffer data. No. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, let's make the comment. I don't know how, not the comment, commit. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Roughness, metallic, base color. Yeah. So let's see if it's still gonna run. I'm pretty sure it's still gonna run. Just cleaning up. So loading PBR material and textures.
Loading PBR material and textures.
Materials.
Loading PBR materials and textures.
Okay. Let's add this thing here. It's gonna look like this. Yeah. Let's push. I think it's perfect timing. Right now is 10, almost 10. So, and I want to go to bed. Try to go to bed around 10. So I think it's perfect timing to end the stream. And I have, if you want to closely look at the source code, it's in the public repository. It's called as endless drive. So, and you can see this is my last commit. So far the progress is like this. So we're loading model and we're loading all PBR parameters, but right now I'm rendering just base color without any shading. So hopefully tomorrow we will start focusing on figuring out how to do PBR shading. And then after we figure out PBR shading, we would go to the deferred rendering and all these fancy things. So let's set up right now like this. So I'm pretty happy. There is some little bit of jankiness here. What I don't like, if asset is already loaded, you just need to provide the path, and specifying all these arguments wouldn't do anything. Like if you provide different arguments, it wouldn't do anything. So and you still need to provide arguments. So I think you still would need to provide all these arguments, otherwise it wouldn't run. What I can do, I probably would add the additional constructor to it's. I don't know. The system is a bit junky, but it is what it is. So there is a test, right? So, and in the test, this is the loading of the asset. Yeah, and also you kind of need to provide the assets. So the loader for the model would be able to also load materials and textures and put them in the assets container, I guess. Let's call it container, I guess. Trans uniform. Maybe I would need to clean up some code. There is like a trans uniform, view position uniform. Maybe I should just call them trans and view position, and so uniform variables like this, and real variables would have to have like a L prefix, something like this. Anyways, thank you for watching, and see you next time, hopefully tomorrow. Bye.